folks, welcome. Whoa, hold on. You gotta be safe. There's COVID out there. I heard that you could actually transmit COVID through the internet, so better be safe. Hey, today's a very special day. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Newbie Views. Here we're going to be talking about food today, and not just food. We're talking about snacks. And the snacks we're going to be talking about are crisps. Yes, crisps are chips here in North America. Specifically, salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar. Salt and vinegar. We're gonna do a taste test of which of the salt and vinegar chips you see before us is the best tasting chip out there. So it's gonna be a blind taste test. Gonna line up some bowls. And you'll see me throw some in here, and then I'll get the newbie crew in here, and we will tell you which is the best blind taste that they don't know which one's which. Now, first up, just a no-name bag of chips. It's called the Gourmet brand. It's from the Dollarama. I really can't tell you very much about it since it's a no-name bag of chips. And if you're interested in the macros are right there. And the macros says for 50 grams, this has got 250 calories and 420 milligrams of salt. That's, you know, it's a salt and vinegar chip. So, the second one we have, show the logo, is LeaST stacked. You know them, the LeaST people. Here's the macros. And for this, for 50 grams, the salt on this is 510, so a bit more salty. The third one we have is Old Dutch. I like Old Dutch. They're pretty good. And then the macros on this, for this entire bag, is 290 grams of salt, but this is only 40 grams, so it's the least salty of the bunch. And then the no-name brand, but it's a kettle chip, so cooked differently. I wonder if it tastes any better. So let's fill up some bowls. And you and I are the only ones who know what's in each bowl. So, starting from left to right. Kettle chips, guys. Super crunchy. Lots of folds. The next one in the smallest bin I've got are all, all of the Old Dutch. Put those off to the side. Third one, in the round little bowl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gonna lay me out some snacks. So that's the salt and vinegar LeaST stacks. Sorry guys, I keep standing up and down. But, there you go. And the very last one, the Gourmet brand from Dollarama. Whew! That's vinegary smelling. And There we go. Alright guys, this is it. We've got a bunch of, we got them all here. Give us 2 seconds. Let's get the newbie crew down here. We're going to taste test these and tell you which is the best salt and vinegar chip we got. Till then, we out. Hey folks, we're back. We're just about ready to test the chips out. We've got the newbie crew here. Just before we start, just to let you know, Connor's got a brand new gaming channel out there. Just came live about a week ago. It's called
Lord.
Thank you. Lord. I'll put in the link in the description below so you can check him out. Playing a lot of Minecraft, so check it out. Alright, newbie crew. Let's test our chips. Now, we've got 4 selections of salt and vinegar, because who's the salt and vinegar queen? That's right, Charlotte. Alright, let's test out number 1. How's the salt? How's the vinegar? How's the crunch?
This is very salty. I can't taste that much. Actually,
Try another one if you want.
let me see. Way too vinegary. Way too. It's too much.
You hear that, guys? Way too vinegary.
The
Charlotte
crunch is okay. The salt there's no, I can't taste any salt, but there's way too much vinegar.
got it. Charlotte, what do you think?
Delicious.
Nice. How's the salt?
Delicious.
How's the vinegar?
Delicious.
How's the crunch?
Delicious.
Alright, simple as that. Guys, let's moving on to number 2.
Pringles, I can tell. Yeah. From the shape.
Oh, trashy.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What do you mean trashy?
They're horrible.
How's the crunch?
Not good. These ones are better. The crunch.
Okay, what's wrong with the flavor?
It has this weird taste.
Is it vinegary?
Yeah, but it doesn't taste good. Get these out of the
How's the salt?
Nobody wants those. These have the better crunch and taste and everything.
Guys, that's not a paid testimonial. That came out of the box. You saw what that was, and you know who it was, so I don't know.
It tastes like if you just took a piece of trash and put it in your mouth.
Whoa, whoa, we cut that out. I don't think we can use that, but it's not good is what you're saying.
Yeah.
How's the salt?
Way too much salt, way too much vinegar. It tastes like the ocean.
Whoa, that's pretty salty.
I
All
like
right.
the ocean.
It tastes salty.
Gotcha. All right. Let's not delve on that. Let's move on to number 3.
Someone pick the taste. No, cucumber and pickle taste. Not bad.
Interesting. Try it out.
Okay. It has that sort of pickly cucumber taste. The salt's pretty good. The vinegar's pretty good. This is a pretty good one. In the middle, not the best, not the worst. Pretty in the middle.
All right. How do you like the thickness of the crunch of it? Is it the best of the crunch?
No.
Okay. Is that still pretty good number 1?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Alright, are we moving on to the final one? Let's go.
Guys, listen to that ASMR. All right, so what do you think of the number 4?
Best one.
Best one. How's the salt? Too much salt? Little salt? How's the vinegar?
It's not the most, but it's still pretty good.
Gotcha.
And the crunch is very crunchy. So
Gotcha.
top favorite for me, best one.
Nice. Charlotte, what do you think? How's the crunch? Is it the most? Is it the least? Is it?
It's the least. That one has the best crunch.
That has the best crunch for you. Gotcha. How's the salt and how's the vinegar?
Good.
Good. All right. So you've tasted all three. Coming in third place, which was the worst of the three here? So, oh yeah, that's number 4. Okay, well that's out of the question. What's the one below that? All right, let's move that to the side. I'll move that up here so you can't really see it. Now it comes down to number 1 and number 4. Which is the best chip in your... Number 4. What's your best chip, Charlotte?
This one or that one?
She's like,
Gotta make a wish first.
okay, gotcha. Might be here for a while, folks. Wishes take a while. One eternity later. If you have $1 billion, you can buy anything you want. All right, which is your best chip? Number 1 or 4?
That's number 4. That's number 1.
No, that's the wish chip again.
Ah, the big one.
I don't know.
That one or that one?
Both.
All right, there's a tie for Charlotte. So there you have it. Now here's the big one, Charlotte, Connor. Of all these chips, which one is a no-name brand and which one was a real brand? Can you tell?
Non-named.
I will leave.
Pringles. Because the shape
That's
and
that
the
one.
real brand, this one.
So you think this is a real brand? You think all these are, this is a real brand?
No.
That's not the real
Wait,
brand.
No, that's...
That's-
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay, which one is a dollar store brand, basically, is what I'm saying. Gotcha. All right. Do you want to know what the secrets are? Do you want to know which one they are? All right, here we go. Guys, here comes the reveal. At the beginning, that's number 1. Would you believe?
Pringles. No-name Pringles.
LeaST, the good name brand right here. So you guys are like totally tripped. The third one you really do like as well, not so bad. Old Touch, the good brand name. And then finally, the one that you like the most, would you believe? Oh, is a no-name brand but kettle flavor, guys. So Connor, none of these good ones actually were better. The best one was a dollar store brand. That's what you picked. Pretty good deal, guys. So you can actually save money. So folks, here, let me swing around, guys. So that's it, folks. That's the end of the video today. It just shows you that there's some good dollar deals out there. Remember, Connor picked the kettle chip no-name brand. You can't go wrong. Alright folks, don't forget, if you haven't clicked the like button, hit the like button.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
We out. Peace.